Are your meetings starting to pile up in Fireflies AI? Keeping everything organized makes it much easier to find transcripts, summaries, and recordings when you need them. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize your meetings efficiently in Fireflies AI. So yeah, let's get started. First, sign in to your Fireflies AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Meetings tab from the left-hand menu. Here you'll see all of your recorded meetings, uploaded files, and meeting history. To quickly locate specific meetings, use the search bar at the top of the page. You can search by meeting title, participant, keyword, or transcript content. You can also use filters like date, meeting source, host, or channel to narrow down your results. After opening a meeting, you can rename it with a more descriptive title if needed. Depending on your workspace features, you can also use tags or labels to group similar meetings together. You know, using consistent names makes future searches much faster. Next, use the Share button to collaborate with teammates on important meetings. For meetings you don't access often, keep them archived or organized according to your workspace structure, so your dashboard stays clean while your records remain easy to access. Finally, review your meeting list regularly and remove duplicate uploads if necessary. Combining descriptive meeting titles, search filters, and shared workspaces makes it much easier to manage growing collections of meetings. I mean, spending a few minutes organizing now can save a lot of time later, and that's how you organize meetings in Fireflies AI in 2026. Hopefully this guide helps you keep your meetings organized and easy to find. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.